Welcome to EdgeTek Tips. Today we're here to talk about condenser coil cleaning for manufactured housing outdoor units. In order to get more efficiency out of the equipment, you will have to clean it periodically, normally a couple times a year. Make sure that your line power and your 24-volt power are turned off at the unit and also inside. You're going to have to actually wash it from the inside out. If you tried to clean it from the other direction, that compacts the dirt and debris into the condenser coil itself. So that's going to require being able to get inside the unit. What we're going to do is just try to lift that whole top piece off with the fan still connected and just kind of go around the unit removing these screws. So I'm going to come around here and unhook the electrical. I know I've already discharged the capacitors. You got an orange wire from the fan motor that's got to come off, and then a blue wire that has to come off of the capacitor. And then the third one is going to be connected to the defrost board itself. So all three of those have to be removed. All right, so we've got that off. The next thing would be to remove the panels from the sides, just so that you got stuff that gets stuck in between there. You can get that out. All right, all those panels are removed. Typically, what you want to use is just water, no harsh chemicals. Take a water hose. You're going to start at the top, work your way down from inside out all the way around the condenser and get all that debris out of there, leaves, dirt, whatever's down in there, so that it can actually function better. Also, that allows it to drain through the pad so that you don't hold water in that unit. Along the bottom of the condenser coil here, you'll see that black stripe there. That's actually our Guardian Seal condenser coil coating that we put on in the factory. That's there to protect the bottom row of that condenser coil from damage, water and debris. Once you've got all that done, basically just reverse what you just did. Go ahead and put this top back on the unit now. Set it back in place. Watch your fan wires there that they don't get pinched. Reattach the fan motor wires. So I'm putting the orange back on the capacitor. Also the blue goes back to the capacitor. And the black wire connects to the defrost board. Before we power it up, tie all the wires back up and make it look neat and clean. Put these panels back in place. And then the next task would be to run it. Good idea to probably put a set of gauges on it. Check pressures, temperatures. Use the label on the inside of the control panel if you need charging information. You can find it on our website as well. Thank you for watching. For more EdgeTek tips, visit edgetekhvac.com.